So Mouse bar is a Chrome extension that will help us to understand if we can rank in a keyword or not. So just come here, click on mouse bar. It will open the Chrome web store. You can add it to your Chrome and activate it. And after you activate mouse bar, when you go to your Google and search for it, as you can see, it is at the top right side here, mouse bar. And when you search for a keyword, under each website, it is giving us some additional information. So in our case, I have searched for digital marketing course. The first link which it is add, it is not giving us any information about that, but beside the first one, we can see some additional information. For example, here on the first link, we see PA and also DA, right? PA stands for page authority and DA stands for domain authority. Now, if you pay attention here, for example, in the domain that in the URL that they have digital marketing. Okay, the next one they have Digital Marketing Institute. The next one they have, for example, digital marketing here, right? So they have the exact phrase, the exact keyword that we are searching for. They have it in their URL, and also on their page, on their content, we can see digital marketing course. Here we can see digital marketing course. Again, on the third one, we can see digital marketing. There is no course here, but they have the course on their URL. If they are ranking in Google using their domain, using their URL, their domain authority is going to be high. As you can see, for example, the first one is 84, 52, 91, 91. For example, if in a search, in a keyword, you see number 91, you can, it's extremely hard to rank in that keyword. But if we come down, maybe we see lower. For example, here we have domain authority 48. For example, this is possible. We can come till here. This is possible to achieve, right? But the high numbers, like for example 91 and page authority 52, it is extremely hard. Lower than 40, with a little effort, with following the instructions, you can achieve, you can rank in the number 1, 2, or 3 in Google, right? So all you have to do is to write down your keyword and take a look at the page authority and domain authority of the result that you can see here. And if it is lower than 40, you have a chance to rank number 1. Let's try something more specific. For example, best online digital marketing course. Okay, it is what was suggested here. And come down, as you can see, page authority here for the first result is 24 and domain authority is 33. So we can be sure that we have a chance here to rank in best online course for digital marketing, right? Best online digital marketing courses. Also, Mousbar offer other services. If you go to their website, here is their website. It is not just a Chrome extension. You can sign up on their page, on their website, and get a lot of other services from them. But here you can find the pricing. You can see it's a little bit expensive. If you have a budget and if you really want to work on it, you can come here and use their service, read more about their service, and if it is helpful for you, you can use them. Let's go back to our page, and here in our checklist we can come here, and number 5 is Mousbar. We checked it, and on the next part, let's see if we don't have anything. Right, on the next part we have to validate our keyword and find the best possible choice for our web page, right? So that was all. Let's go for the next lecture.